Good morning everyone, especially to Dr. Normina Batukan. So I am Jeliza Gransa under MAMT or Master of Arts in Mathematics Teaching. So today I will be presenting a research article entitled Distance Students' Readiness for a Flexible Learning Approach in Mathematics Education. Research article by Rene Lanara. Okay, this is the final research article of Rene Lanara. So this article was published year 2025 from Negros Oriental State University, Bais Campus 2, Bais City, Philippines. So today I will be discussing the SOP or the statement of the problem, methodology, and result of this research article. So first is the statement of the problem. So statement of the problem is found in the abstract. Okay, this study was to investigate the respondents' extent of readiness for a flexible learning approach in mathematics education in terms of availability of hardware, internet connectivity, information literacy, and psychological preference. Okay, then proceed to the methodology of this research article. So this study used a descriptive comparative research design. So this study involves 586 students enrolled in mathematics courses from Negros Oriental State University, Bais campuses 1 and 2 through purposive sampling. So a self-developed questionnaire was used to collect data covering 4 areas: availability of hardware, internet connectivity, information literacy, psychological preference. So data were collected through online and printed questionnaire, then organized and analyzed using descriptive statistics, involved frequency, percentage, weighted mean, and standard deviation, and inferential statistics, which involve Kruskal-Wallis test and Mann-Whitney test. So a 0.05 level of significance was used to determine differences among groups. Okay, proceed to the result of the study. Okay, table number 1 is the profile of the respondents. Age of the respondents is between 18 and 40. So most of the respondents are single. Okay, table 2. Weighted mean, standard deviations, and verbal descriptions for availability of hardware. So the highest weighted means for this part is 2.27, which is a computer that has web browsers. Next, table 3. This is the accessibility to internet connectivity, and the highest weighted mean for this part is 2.27, which is the internet access through mobile data. Table number 4. This is information literacy, and the highest weighted mean for this part is 3.94, which is determine the nature and extent of information needed to answer a given question. Next is the psychological preference. The highest weighted mean for this one is 4.38. So we have two. First is the study for my mathematics class at home and get a sense of satisfaction involving mathematics problems at home. So most of the respondents prefer doing their task at home. Next, this is the overall result using the statistical tools. So first we have using the course calculus, so by a significance level of 5%. So as we can see, the p values in each factor are greater than 0.05. So this is the age for age of the respondents. So it means no significant difference among age group. Next, okay, this is using the Mann-Whitney U for 6 of the respondents. So as we can see, the p-values are greater than 0.05. So this means no significant difference between male and female. Okay. Next, using the Mann-Whitney U, so for civil status of the respondents. So for using the significance levels 5%, so same way the previous, so p-values are greater than 0.05. So this means no significant difference between single and married students. So civil status does not affect readiness of the respondents. So for conclusion, the study concludes that students are generally ready for flexible learning in mathematics, particularly in terms of information literacy and positive attitudes toward online learning. However, their readiness is limited by inconsistent internet connectivity and limited access to hardware, which are not always available when needed. Furthermore, there are no significant differences in students' readiness when grouped according to age, sex, and civil status. Overall, flexible learning is feasible, but improvements in technological resources and internet access are necessary to enhance students' learning experiences. Okay, that's all. Thank you.